In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your job search with AI in 2026. Jobright AI. To get started, head over to Jobright AI and click sign up or try for free. Create your account using one of the available login options, then complete the initial profile setup. This first part is important because the better your profile is, the better the platform can understand what kinds of roles actually fit you. Next, build out your job seeker profile carefully. Enter your target job title, add your key skills and work experience, and choose your preferred location or work model, whether that's remote, hybrid, or on-site. If you're prompted to upload your resume, go ahead and do that as well. The goal here is to give the AI enough context to generate relevant recommendations instead of broad, low-quality matches. After that, set your job preferences. This includes the job titles you want, location, remote or in-office preferences, your experience level, and salary expectations if that option is available. Taking a minute to fine-tune these settings can save you a lot of time later by filtering out roles that don't match your goals. Once your profile is ready, let Jobright analyze it. The platform uses your background, skills, and goals to recommend positions that are more aligned with what you're actually looking for. Instead of searching through every listing manually, you can focus on the jobs the AI identifies as strong matches. Open those recommended roles and review them one by one. Check the job description, look at the match information, and prioritize the positions where your qualifications genuinely line up. This is one of the most important parts of using automation well, letting AI speed up the process while you still make the final judgment. When you find a role you like, use Jobright's resume tailoring feature to generate a job-specific version of your resume. Review everything carefully and make sure every claim is accurate and truthful before using it. If a cover letter is needed, use the AI assistance to generate or customize one. Then edit it so it sounds polished and relevant. For applications, install the Jobright autofill extension if required. Open the application page, click autofill, and let Jobright populate the fields using your profile and tailored resume. Before submitting anything, review the full application carefully. Double-check your contact details, employment history, screening question responses, and important items like salary expectations, location, and work authorization. Never blindly submit AI-generated answers. Once everything looks correct, submit the application. Then use Jobright's tracking tools to monitor where you applied, when you applied, and any follow-up activity. You can also explore insider connections to find alumni, employees, or other useful contacts, and use the AI Career Copilot for help with strategy, resume improvement, skills, or interview preparation. Finally, if Jobright Agent or Auto Apply is available on your account, open it, review your preferences, choose the types of roles you want it to target, and enable the automation option that fits your search. Or